आ जाओ।
Beltei madar venir gola pampush dastai Puzai lagas parmeshiva
Shamnathastai.
Beltei madar venir gola pampush dastai Puzai lagas parmeshiva shivnathastai
Rahul wants you the best. He is the singer in this very beautiful rendition, ladies and gentlemen.
Jata Pet Ganga Vasan Chastai Devi
Devta
Chisras Bastai Bhakti Bhavu Jai Jaikar Singh Chastai Puzai lagai Paramashiva Shivnathastai Paramashiva Shivnathastai Beltei
Jinder.
Thastai Beltei Pampush dastai Puzai lagai Shivnathastai Paramashiva Shivnathastai Beltei
आ जाओ।
Jata Pet Ganga Vasan
बस इसको पकड़ लो।
Devi Devta Vishnu Brahma Chisdas Bastai Bhakti Bhavu Jai Jaikar Singh Dastai Puzai lagai Paramashiva Shivnathastai Paramashiva Shivnathastai Beltei Purpur lagiyo Shiv Shankar Shivnathastai Darshan Chanyu Chum Yuthlol Sudha Vastai Portam Sarashi Zagatishwar Chusbe Kastai Puzai lagai Paramashiva Shivnathastai Paramashiva Shivnathastai Beltei
ladies and gentlemen. That was beautiful, a rendition from the name of Lord Mahadev, Mahadev, Shiv Shankar, Mahadev, Shiv Shankar, Har Har Mahadev. In Kashmiri, a beautiful rendition by Rahul Vachu, the best singer in the town, the best singer in the country, the best singer, Kashmiri Pandit singer in the world. And then, of course, ladies and gentlemen, this is the ending of the 2025 year. They chant punk, they chant this, rock and roll. They chant this, all left and right. But Sanjay Kher chants only Har Har Mahadev, Har Har Mahadev, Har Har Mahadev, and rocks to the hilt, rocks to the heart-filled and mind-filled soul, mindfulness and heartfulness on bodyfulness and energyfulness on this beautiful rendition of Rahul Vachu in Kashmiri. That is Beldai Madal Vyanne Gulab. Beautiful rendition. God bless. Thank you. I feel that it is just by a Muslim, beautiful, writer, and then that God sent person, Tingar Bakal. He has written this maybe 100 years back, and we were all the salutations to him also, and then of course to this beautiful rendition. God bless. A happy New Year 2026. Keep smiling and keep happy. God bless. Thank you. Jai Ho. That is Rahul Vachu, the best in the background on the TV. Thank you.